Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Azil Sidki dari program studi pendidikan ekonomi dengan nomor NIM 187-20528. Berikut adalah modul bahasa Inggris Narrative Text The Legend of Putri Hijau The Green Princess. Oke, di sini modul kelas 10 SMA Negeri 10 Depok. Selamat belajar dan tetap semangat. Berikut kata pengantar. Puji dan syukur penulis panjatkan kehadiran Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala yang senantiasa mencurahkan rahmat dan hidayahnya kepada hambanya yang tidak pernah putus sehingga memberkahi segala aktivitas dalam keseharian. Dalam penyusunan modul bahasa Inggris naratif teks dapat diselesaikan. Laporan project test ini dibuat untuk tugas ujian akhir semester pada mata kuliah kewirausahaan agar dan dengan terselesaikannya laporan ini, maka penulis mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh pihak yang ikut dalam mensukseskan sehingga terselesaikan laporan ini. Penulis menyadari bahwa laporan ini masih terdapat banyak kekurangan, tidak luput dari kesalahan dan kekeliruan di dalamnya. Untuk itu saya mohon saran dan segala bentuk kritikan lainnya yang mengarah kepada kelengkapan. Penulisan juga ucapan terima kasih sebanyak-banyaknya kepada pihak yang memberi sumbangan pikirannya untuk kesempurnaan laporan ini. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kita semua. Amin. Halo, selamat datang teman-teman. Oke, yang pertama, teknik pembelajaran. Berikut adalah kompetensi dasar 3.8. Membedakan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks, naratif, lisan dan tulis dengan meminta dan memberi informasi terkait legenda rakyat, sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. 4.8 Menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks naratif, lisan, dan tulis sederhana terkait legenda rakyat. Berikut indikator pencapaian kompetensi 3.8.1 mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa legenda rakyat membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks legenda rakyat. 4.8.1 sampai dengan 4.8.3 menemukan informasi rinci tersurat maupun tersirat terkait teks legenda rakyat. Menurut pesan moral terkait naratif legenda rakyat, merangkum isi teks naratif legenda rakyat. Narrative text. Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the story using past tense. The purpose of the text is to entertain or to amuse the readers or listeners about the story. Function: to entertain the readers, to teach or inform, to change social opinion. The generic structure of narrative text. Orientation: it set the scene and introduce the participants. It answer the question who, when, what, and where. Complication: tells the problems of the story and how the main character solve them. This part includes situation, activities, or events that leads problem or complication. The climax is show when the crisis arises. Resolution: the crisis is resolved for better or worse. It shows the end of the story, usually a happy ending. Reorientation: optional, the ending of the story. Ordinary structure of narrative text. Evaluation: optional, the stepping back to evaluate the story or the moral message of the story. Coda: optional change of the characters of lesson or value of the story. Past tense for statement positive form. Subject Mambang Hayali. His request, the headcanon, the rear. Verb in the past. Transform, felt, asked, was the need, was bunching up, reminded. Complement himself into a cannon that could shoot at the enemy. Very thirsty, the green princess for a drink. To Aceh, at the Delhi. The grammatical feature of native text. Adjective to build noun groups to describe the people, animal, or things in the story, such as a nice, diligent, and kind-hearted man. Time connective and conjunction to sequence even through time, such as however, I'll talk later then. Past tense for negative statement, negative form. Subject the green princess, the princess. Did not, did not, did not. Verb infinitive return a ship. Complement to her glass coffin, his proposal to marry her. Past tense for question, interrogative form, question word. What? Did, subject si, putri hijau, verb infinitive, a ship. Mention, complement, his proposal to marry her brother name. Learning activity to text narrative terkait cerita legenda. Story web, the character, who are they? What are they like? What words can use to describe them? The little. What is the name of the story? The setting. Where will the story begin? The action. What happens in the story as a result of the problem? The problem, what happened to the main character of among the animals. The moral. What lesson do you want to teach? Menemukan informasi rinci tersurat maupun tersirat terkait teks legenda rakyat. Menulis pesan moral terkait naratif legenda rakyat. Merangkum isi teks naratif legenda rakyat. Berikut adalah latihan soal. Text 1. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. A. In the days of yore. B. Rose. C. Vizier. D. Kesegotik. E. Gale. F. Predicted. G. Clam. H. Withstand. There was an old couple who did have a child. They lived in a small house near the village forest. Please give us a child. They asked God every day. 2. I could hear of his footsteps as he came down the stairs. 3. The government has that long distance learning will go up to this coming December. 4. I was doing my project on writing a narrative story when suddenly a loud shout far away from my house. A. Listen to. B. Hear. C. Heard. D. Listened to. E. Whispered. 5. Narti said that the school organizing a trip for the students of year 10 only. A. B. B is. C. Are. D. Where. E. Was. Berikut adalah kunci jawaban. Mungkin itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.